Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the headphones and confirming power. Charge to at least 50% so battery calibration begins. The LED shows charging status. Once charged, unfold the cups and press and hold the power button for 1 to 2 seconds to power on. You'll hear an audible tone. Open the Beats app on your phone to check firmware and enable features. Doing this now ensures active noise canceling and transparency behave predictably, and it speeds pairing when you move to the next step. You now pair and configure sound. Enable Bluetooth on your phone or computer and keep the device about 3 meters away to avoid drops. In your Bluetooth list, choose Beat Studio 3 and accept pairing. You'll hear a confirmation tone. Once connected, open the Beats app to toggle active noise canceling, transparency mode, and the EQ presets. Adjust to taste. Make sure to check device-level volume and any app-level audio normalization, because those change perceived loudness and bass response significantly. Finish by learning routine habits and a quick fix. Power off after sessions to conserve battery, fold and store in the included case to protect drivers. If you encounter Bluetooth drops or no sound, reset the headset by holding power and volume down together for 10 seconds. This clears pairing conflicts. Once done, repair the device and check for firmware updates in the app. If problems persist, make sure the source device Bluetooth is updated and that no competing audio devices are connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.